welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a trick that I use when I want to extend the wear of my nail polish. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. I am a type of person who loves to wear a nail polish. I love to wear nail polish on my fingers and my toes, but there's something about having a good manicure that makes me feel put together. It doesn't matter if I haven't washed my hair in 4 days, if I'm wearing sweatpants, as long as my nails are done, I feel put together. Since I always like to have my nails done, sometimes my nail polish starts to chip a little bit faster than I want it to, but I don't have the time or energy to redo my whole manicure because I want to keep it for a few more days. So I'm going to show you guys what I do when I want to extend the wear of my nail polish. Okay guys, let's get started. So make sure to wash and dry your hands. You want to make sure that there's no residual oils or hand cream on your nails. So we're going to go ahead and use this little buffing square that I have. You can get these at the drugstore. I actually got mine when the last time I got a pedicure. You know, when they file your nails and buff your nails, they offer you the little squares and the nail files. I usually take them, and so this is what I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and buff all of the nails, specifically at the tips of the nails, wherever there's any chips, because I want to make sure that the nail is nice and smooth. And this way, it'll help prevent any more chipping or breaking of the nail as well. So once that is done, I make sure to dust off any of the residual dust, and then I go ahead and use a glitter polish. So this is really key to fixing or covering up the chips. So we're going to use a glitter polish. I'm using this silver one from Essie, and what we're going to do is we're going to apply the polish, but instead of going top to bottom, we're really going to focus on the bottom part of the nail because that's where all the chips are. And I'm wiping off a lot of the polish. I'm not going to do a full swipe with the product itself because that's going to be a bit too much because, as I said, we're only focusing on the bottom part of the nail. So I'm wiping off a lot of the excess in the bottle. I'm kind of just scraping up what's left on the inside of the bottle. I'm not dipping all the way in, and I'm focusing on the tips and the edges of the nail. So once that dries, it won't take very long. I'm using my favorite top coat. This is the Essence The Gel Top Coat. This is a fantastic top coat. It's like $3 at the pharmacy. I cannot recommend this enough. So you just go ahead and place that all over your nails, and then that's it. That you're done. Your nails are finished, and you have at least 2 or 3 more days left of wear for your nails. This is just a really quick, easy, and simple way to extend the wear of your nail polish. And since we're only using a little bit of glitter, it's not going to be too difficult to get off when you do want to remove the nail polish. Alright guys, that's it. That's what I do when I want to extend the wear of my nail polish. It's not that complicated. This is really just for those times when your nail polish is starting to chip a little bit and you have like an event or you have something that you want to wear your nail polish for in a few more days, but you don't feel like starting all over fresh. So this is just to like keep it going a couple days extra, like 2, 3, sometimes 4 days, it depends. So this is just to like help you get through that little stretch until you can have time to really do like the whole nails all over again. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys found this informative and fun. If you have any more requests for nails, makeup, skincare review, whatever it may be, let me know down in the comments. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And thank you so much for stopping by. It really does mean the world to me that you take the time to watch my videos. You could be watching anyone else, but you're watching me. So that means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a good Monday, a good start to the week, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.